Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to allow Discord to access your contacts on your Android device. This can help you connect with friends and enhance your experience on the platform. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and locate the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear icon. Once you've found it, go ahead and open it. Next, scroll down a bit and look for Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your device. Find Discord in this list. You might have to scroll or search for it, but it shouldn't take long. Once you've tapped on Discord, you'll see various options and information related to the app. Look for the option labeled Permissions and select it. Here, you'll manage what Discord can and cannot access on your device. Now, find the Contacts permission. This is where you can allow Discord to access your contact list, so you can easily connect with friends. Tap on it and you'll be presented with a couple of options. Finally, select Allow. By doing this, you're giving Discord permission to access your contacts, making it simpler to connect with the people you want to chat with. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy Discord with full access to your contacts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.